Welcome to this video on middleware. In this series about computer world terminologies and concepts, we'll explore what middleware is and why it's essential in modern software development. Middleware is software that acts as a bridge, connecting different applications and systems together, enabling them to communicate and share data seamlessly. Middleware is fundamentally a software layer that acts as a bridge between different applications, databases, and systems. Think of it as a translator that enables communication between software components that might not have been originally designed to work together. Without middleware, connecting different applications would require writing custom code for each integration, which is time-consuming and expensive. Middleware simplifies this process by providing a standardized way for applications to communicate. Let's look at some practical examples of middleware. Web servers act as middleware by connecting web applications to backend databases and services. Message queues enable asynchronous communication between distributed systems, allowing applications to communicate without direct coupling. API gateways manage and route requests between clients and servers. Database connectors allow applications to access multiple databases seamlessly without needing to understand the specific details of each database system. Middleware offers several important advantages. Scalability allows systems to handle growing workloads and integrate new applications easily. Security is built in through authentication, encryption, and access control between systems. Cost reduction means less custom development is needed since middleware handles common integration tasks. Performance is optimized through load balancing and efficient resource utilization. Data consistency ensures information stays synchronized across multiple applications. Finally, flexibility allows businesses to adapt quickly to changing requirements without rewriting core applications. Middleware operates in three main layers. At the top are applications and clients making requests. These requests pass through the middleware layer in the middle, which handles processing, translation, routing, and security. Finally, requests reach the backend systems at the bottom, which include databases, services, and other resources. This layered approach cleanly separates concerns and makes systems easier to manage and maintain. Here's a practical code example using Express.js, a popular Node.js framework. We create a middleware function that acts as a logger. The middleware receives a request object, a response object, and a next function. It logs the HTTP method of the request, then calls next to pass control to the next middleware in the chain. This pattern demonstrates how middleware intercepts and processes requests before they reach their destination. Security is paramount in middleware design. Always use encryption like TLS for data traveling across networks and a ES for data stored at rest. Implement access control by using role-based access control and the principle of least privilege. Keep all dependencies and frameworks up to date to patch security vulnerabilities. Set up real-time monitoring and alerting to detect unusual patterns or potential security breaches quickly. Effective middleware requires continuous monitoring. Track key metrics including CPU usage, memory consumption, latency, throughput, and error rates. Capture detailed logs for debugging and compliance purposes. Use distributed tracing to follow requests as they flow through multiple middleware services, helping identify bottlenecks and failures. Implement real-time alerting so teams are immediately notified of critical issues that need attention. Understanding middleware execution order is crucial for correct application behavior. Apply global middleware first, such as JSON parsing, logging, and security headers. Then add route-specific middleware for particular endpoints, like authentication checks. Define your actual routes after middleware setup. Finally, place error handling middleware at the end of the chain, as it should catch errors from all other middleware and routes. This ordering ensures requests are properly processed and errors are handled gracefully.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.